Hi, welcome to HardReset.info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi 13 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So, firstly, open your settings application, then scroll down and find battery here and disable the battery saving mode if you have enabled, because battery saving mode is blocking your processor to work only in 70% of their performance. So if you want to have full performance of your device, you need to disable the battery saver mode. Then find the display, scroll down and find here refresh rate, and I suggest you enable 60 Hz of refresh rate, because refreshing the screen in high speed, it will use your processor performance, and maybe you will not have the many performance for your daily tasks. So I suggest you enable 60 Hz. Great, go back and open About Phone and find storage here. As you can see, I have filled up only 52 GB of 256, and it's good. But when you fill up your storage over the 70%, so 70% it's between images and audio. Here is the point of 70%. If you will fill up your storage over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. So if you have filled up your storage over the 70%, just remove unused apps, or remove old photos, videos, or backup it to the cloud storage or to your PC device, for example. And in this way, you will save your storage space. And the third aspect, for example, as you can see here, I have the RAM. I have 8 GB of RAM in my device, and as you can see, I have +3. So in summary, I have 12 GB of RAM, and you can extend it too. To do it, go back to the settings menu, scroll down and find here additional settings. Scroll down again and find your memory extension. And here you can choose the level of memory extension. For example, choose 2 GB, or I have 3 GB, but you can enable 5 GB, for example. Then click reboot, and in this way you will add several gigabytes from your normal storage to your RAM. You have really fast internal storage in your device, so your device can use it as memory, as RAM memory. So all processes are running at the moment are running in temporary RAM memory. So here, if you will extend this memory partition, you will be able to speed up and really boost up your device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.